So you guys seem to enjoy my skincare routines a lot. So I have previously done a AM and a PM routine, and the PM routine you guys asked me for my exfoliation routine. So I'm going to share a couple of tips and tricks that I do, especially when I am chemical exfoliating my face because my skin is extremely sensitive. Chemical peel we are going to be using today is the Deconstruct one, and it has about 18% of AHAs and 2% of PHA. Now before using a chemical peel, I am going to prep my face, and for prepping my face I am going to be double cleansing. Mostly I use a chemical peel at night, and double cleansing is a must at the PM time. Everything that I am using in this video is affordable, and I'm going to be using these two products for my double cleansing. I'm going to use the Deconstruct Soothing Cleansing Balm for my first cleanse and the Dot & Key's Barrier Repair Hydrating Face Wash for my second cleanse. Now, double cleansing ensures that you have a clean base to start off with, and it is really important to use gentle products, especially on the day that you are going to use a peel. Now, this particular one has bisabolol, it has oats oil, and it is super gentle on the skin, yet it is very effective. Now, I tend to use a gel-based face wash whenever I am chemically exfoliating my face. Most of the days, I prefer a foaming face wash because the overall feel is nice. But on the days that I'm chemically exfoliating my face, such as using a peel, I tend to gravitate more towards a gentle barrier friendly face wash. Now our base is all prepped, but before moving on to your chemical peel, let your skin completely dry. You don't want to ever put a chemical peel on a damp skin. Now this is an additional step, but this is something that I swear by. You take any kind of occlusive based moisturizer. For now I'm using this Barrier Repair cream from this new brand that I'm trying called as Serene, and I am going to take a little bit of this moisturizer or a barrier cream. You can even use Vaseline, that works really great, but I'm going to apply it under my eyes, even a little bit on the lids, and I'm going to also apply it right around here and a little bit here. These are the parts that are really sensitive, and I want to protect them before I put any kind of chemical exfoliation or chemical peel. So I'm going to take about one full pump of this peel for my entire face. I also tend to apply a little bit on my neck, back of my neck, and also a little bit on my décolleté area, which I will do tomorrow. Maybe I don't feel like doing, I'm really lazy, but yeah, this is how I apply it. I take a little bit and I just spread it all across my face. I focus a little bit more around my nose area. Even my forehead gets a lot of milia-like breakouts because of my dandruff. So yeah, we cannot do anything about it. Just exfoliate and moisturize. I'm gonna let this sit for about like 10 to 12 minutes. And it's been exactly 10 minutes and it's time to wash it off. Just wash with plain water. Don't ever use hot water. Now my skin is all fresh and it is freshly exfoliated. So we are going to use the right products that will help the skin barrier to regenerate. Now, I tend to avoid any kind of serum or any kind of harsh chemical exfoliants after a chemical peel. I just tend to stick with moisturizer or a hydrating serum. So for today, we are going to use my favorite moisturizer currently, which is the Put Simply Water Moisturizer. I am going to take like about a pea-size amount and I'm going to spread it all over my face. Now the texture of this particular moisturizer is, I feel, one of the best moisturizers that I have found in this 1000 rupees price bracket. But if you want a cheaper alternative, this one from Serene is equally brilliant. I have two of them. This is more suited to oily to combination. This is more suited to dry and sensitive. But yeah, both of them are great. Like, the Illuminative Water Cream has a gel based texture which is really brilliant, and I tend to like layer all of these moisturizer because not only it gives me that glow after that chemical peel, but also it has ingredients that are really great for the barrier. Because I have combination skin, I tend to use 2 or 3 types of moisturizer in one routine because some parts may be a little bit oily, some parts may be a little bit dry. So I take this Cloud Cream, which both of the Serene moisturizer combined is the Put Simply one. So if you want to invest in one and you have oily skin, go for this one. If you have dry skin, go for this one. All the products that I've mentioned are in my description box. Now my under eye seems to be obviously dry as hell, so I'm going to use this serum combo that I always use, the Ordinary Marine Hyaluronics, and I just pat it around here and I seal it off with this Defender Night Cream. It is a facial cream, but I tend to use it on my eye area. I just pat it down and this just makes my under eyes so much hydrated. For my jawline, it is the most sensitive and I get a lot of breakouts here. I use this barrier repair cream from Dot & Key and I tend to use it for my face and my body. So yeah, this was my simple exfoliation routine. You guys asked a lot about my weekly skincare and my exfoliation routine. By the way, this is my weekly skincare routine and I chemical exfoliate about like every week. So yeah, this was my PM routine come exfoliation routine come weekly routines. Let me know yours and I will see you in the next video. So bye bye and take care.